The fifth article of the fourth chapter, Controller and Processor, and number 28 overall, is called Processor. A controller can delegate data processing to another entity referred to as processor. However, the controller has to ensure that this processor applies appropriate measures to protect rights, and comply with GDPR. There are specific rules that dictate how the processor should operate. The processor should be authorized by the controller, and in case he wants to engage another processor himself, then he should acquire the approval of the controller. The processing is regulated and initiated only based on a contract with the controller, in writing and electronic, where the data subjects are identified, the duration of processing, the subject rights, and the data types are specified. This contract regulates other obligations towards the controller, such as data transfers to third countries, the involved personnel's confidentiality commitments, assisting the controller meeting the data subject's requests, and assisting the controller in ensuring compliance. The processor should follow the controller's instructions of data erasure, return, and transfer. The processor should be able to demonstrate his compliance with those obligations, by contributing to audits and inspections. If the processor chose to involve another processor, then the obligations in the contract with the controller would be extended to the new processor, and should be able to provide guarantees that he is applying adequate technical and organizational measures. If a processor determines the purpose and means of processing himself, then he shall be considered to be the controller of that data, and shall be held responsible.